The BlackVue DR770X-2CH dashcam is designed to provide drivers with a comprehensive high-definition video recording solution that enhances safety and offers key features for event documentation. In this review, we'll break down the product's specifications, its key features, performance, and how it stacks up against the competition. Most drivers face the challenge of capturing clear footage from both the front and rear of their vehicle, especially in high-traffic situations or while driving at night. So, what if you could have full HD recording that's reliable, easy to set up, and even accessible remotely? The BlackVue DR770X-2CH promises to solve these problems with its dual Full HD cameras, advanced visual clarity, and Wi-Fi-enabled playback. The DR770X-2CH features a 60 FPS Full HD front camera and a 30 FPS Full HD rear camera, delivering crisp and clear video capture from both directions. With the Sony STARVIS sensors and enhanced image tuning, it excels in low-light conditions, ensuring license plates and important details are captured with high fidelity. The dashcam supports H.264 video encoding, balancing video quality with efficient storage. The installation is straightforward thanks to the included USB-C power cable, which offers a seamless connection, eliminating the need for complex wiring. The large storage capacity supports up to 1 TB of microSD storage, giving you the option to record in high resolution for extended periods. While the smart event detection feature, using the built-in G sensor, ensures that critical moments are preserved, even capturing 10 seconds before an impact or sudden movement. Now, let's dive into the product's pros and cons. Pros: clear video quality. The dual Full HD cameras, enhanced with Sony STARVIS sensors, provide excellent video clarity, even in low-light conditions. Ideal for capturing key moments like license plates. Seamless installation. The included USB-C power cable simplifies the installation process, and the integration is smooth and secure. Smart event detection. The G sensor ensures that important events, such as impacts, are saved automatically with a 10-second pre-event buffer to capture the crucial moments leading up to an incident. Cloud integration. With Wi-Fi and optional LTE connectivity, accessing and backing up footage to the cloud is effortless, providing added peace of mind for remote viewing. Cons: hardwiring for parking mode. While the dashcam does have a smart parking mode, it requires hardwiring for continuous recording in time-lapse mode, which may be a downside for some users who prefer an easy plug-and-play solution. Price. At its price point, some users may find it a bit more expensive compared to basic dashcams with similar features, especially when factoring in the need to purchase an additional microSD card. In terms of value for money, the DR770X-2CH offers strong value, especially for those seeking high-quality video capture, easy integration with cloud services, and the added convenience of remote access. However, it might not be the best fit for budget-conscious buyers, particularly if they only need basic dashcam features. Comparison to competitors. Compared to alternatives like the BlackVue N4 and Garmin Dashcam 66 BlackVue, the DR770X-2CH excels in visual clarity with its dual Full HD cameras and superior low-light performance, thanks to the Sony STARVIS sensors. However, the BlackVue N4 offers a similar feature set at a slightly lower price point, although it lacks the cloud integration and Wi-Fi capabilities of the BlackVue model. Build quality and longevity. The BlackVue DR770X-2CH is built to last, with a sturdy design that incorporates a supercapacitor to protect against power loss, ensuring that footage is saved securely during power outages. While there's limited long-term data on this specific model, BlackVue has built a solid reputation for durable, high-performance dashcams. Customer support. BlackVue is known for providing responsive customer service. While no direct interactions with the company were needed for this review, the brand's reputation for support and reliability is widely recognized within the automotive community. Who it's for. This dashcam is best suited for daily commuters, long-distance drivers, or those who value high-quality video recording for safety and event documentation. It's especially useful for those who want the convenience of cloud access and remote video playback, but may not be the ideal choice for budget-conscious users or those looking for basic functionality. Conclusion: strong option. If you prioritize clear, reliable video recording with advanced features like cloud integration, the BlackVue DR770X-2CH is a top contender. Its dual camera setup, high-quality video capture, and ease of installation make it a solid choice for drivers looking for peace of mind on the road. However, if you're looking for a more affordable option with fewer advanced features, there are alternatives to consider. Midway CTA. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more auto reviews that put you in the driver's seat of fresh insights. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out the product link in the description box. Drop a comment if you already own this dashcam or have any questions. Let's get the conversation rolling. Until next time, keep it autovated.